Today we learn how to draw a Christmas tree using Adobe Illustrator. In this tutorial we use Blend tool, blending option, and tweak effect. First, draw a star. Make its point 17. You may take more. Resize the star holding Shift and Alt key and drag. Select the star. Use color gradient as you like. Select the star, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to paste in front. Again, resize the star by holding Shift and Alt key and drag. Select both the stars. Apply Blend tool. Then go to Object, Blend Options. In Blend Option Spacing, select Specified Steps and change the digit 15 and OK. Now go to Effect, Distort and Transform, then Tweak and OK. Now drag as you've seen on screen. Draw a base using Pen tool. Color it. And move it to the back of the tree. Now the tree is ready. If you like the tutorial, please subscribe, like and share the channel to encouraging us. Coming soon with another tutorial. Thanks for watching.